Assalamu alaikum students from class 9th. Today our topic is friction. Question is that define force of friction. Force of friction, friction क्या होता है? Derive mathematical expression, mathematical how we calculate the formulas, and also define coefficient of friction. Coefficient of friction क्या होता है? Coefficient के meanings होते हैं टू हेल्प करने वाला है, आपका कोई हेल्प कर रहा है, कोई हेल्पर है, जैसे को पायलट, को ड्राइवर। इसी तरह से फ्रिक्शन के अंदर एक मदद करने वाली चीज होती है, उसे कहते हैं कोफिशिएंट ऑफ फ्रिक्शन। इसके लिए दिस इज आवर क्वेश्चन। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। व्हाट इज फ्रिक्शन? फोर्स ऑफ फ्रिक्शन व्हेन ए बॉडी स्लाइड्स over the surface of other body। दो बॉडीज हैं, वो एक दूसरे के ऊपर स्लाइड्स कर रही हैं। स्लाइड्स मतलब इस तरह से एक दूसरे के ऊपर स्लाइड्स कर रही हैं, surface of the other body। And opposing force is set up when we rub our hands to each other, one hand and other hand, the force of friction will create in between these two hands like this. An opposing force is set up when two bodies slide over each other. Then opposite force is set up which resists the motion of the body। अब ये जो opposing force है, ये resistance पैदा करेगा बॉडी की मूवमेंट के अंदर of the body। This opposing force is called friction। This is called the friction। Have you understand this all? Now we are going to be mathematical explorations. How we get the formula for this? Consider an object is placed on a surface. There are two forces acting on the object। किसी भी जगह पर एक ऑब्जेक्ट रखा हुआ है हमने, उसके ऊपर two forces will be act upon the object। One is the weight of the body which act downward, and second force is normal reaction which acts upward। Suppose we have put these books over the table, the weight of these books acts downward, the reaction of the table will act upwards to keep the books upward direction। Or this is called normal reaction which act upward। Weight and reaction are equal and opposite। This here is the same law, third law of Newton, action and reaction are equal and opposite, but here the weight and normal reaction are equal and opposite। Experiment shows the value of the friction force will increase and a normal reaction। Friction of force बढ़ेगी जब हम normal reaction को भी बढ़ा देंगे। तो both are the equivalent। That's why the force of friction will increase the normal reaction। That is, force of friction is directly proportional to the normal reaction। Force of friction directly proportional होती है। This is the F for force of friction। This is sign of directly proportional। R is the reaction। Force is directly proportional to the R। R may be written like this: F is equal to mu R। This is equation 1। हमने R से before R we have put here the sign of mu। What is mu? Where is mu is proportionality constant। ये proportionality constant होता है and it's called the coefficient of friction। It's defined as what is coefficient? तो इसके एक definition दी है, the ratio between force of friction and normal reaction। It is mu is actually the ratio between force of friction and normal reaction called coefficient of reaction। इसको हम coefficient of reaction बोलेंगे। It is a ratio between force and reaction। The ratio between force, how much force and how much reaction is acting to each other, the ratio will be created। That ratio is called coefficient of the friction। Mathematical coefficient of the reaction can be expressed as follows: mu is the force ratio is equivalent to F upon R। Since weight W and reaction R are equal and opposite, जब ये force and reaction are equal and opposite, force और reaction R will equivalent to W. R बराबर है W के. W is the weight, R is the reaction. Both are equal, but both are opposite. Therefore, equation 1 ये है हमारी. Become F is equal to mu W. Mu W. Mu क्या? It is a ratio. Since W is equal to mg और as we know that weight हमेशा mass और gravity के बराबर होता है, the equation 2 become ये वाली equation की जगह हम W की जगह इसकी वैल्यू लिख देंगे mg. F is equal to mu mg. F is, as we know that F is the force, mu is the ratio, mg is the mass, weight. So we can rewrite equation 2 like this: F is equal to mu mg. This is the final mathematical expression for the force of friction. Is clear? Now we comes towards the type of the friction. There are 4 types of the friction. The static friction, when the force of friction between two bodies in the state of rest, when two bodies are in the form of rest, there will be the static friction. There will be the static friction in between two bodies when they are rest, denoted by Fs. दूसरा friction type है इसका kinetic friction. The force of the friction between two bodies when they are in the state of motion. जब दो bodies motion के अंदर in the state of motion is called the static friction. It is denoted by Fk. F लिखने के बाद छोटा सा क्या लिखते हैं जिसका ये हो जाएगा kinetic friction. F लिखने के बाद छोटा सा s लिखते हैं ये हो जाएगा static friction. The rolling friction. When a heavy spherical ball roll over the surface, it experiences an opposing force which is called rolling friction. कोई बड़ी गोल बॉल जैसे अर्थक्वेक आता है तो पहाड़ों पे से बड़े-बड़े स्टोन रोल होते हुए नीचे आ जाते हैं. They produce the friction that is called Fr. Limiting friction. Friction ये maximum friction होता है. Limiting friction. The maximum force of friction between the surface of two bodies when they just stop to each other. When they collide to the head collisions take place and both the bodies stop, that friction will be called the maximum limiting friction and it is denoted by F. These are the 4 types of the friction: static friction, kinetic friction, rolling friction, limiting friction. This is the definition and mathematical expression. I hope this you all understand. Take care and Allah Hafiz.